In this crucial moment for the future of our planet, nature-based solutions are not just a choice, they are a necessity. And for these solutions to truly make an impact, we need high-integrity, precision environmental monitoring. At Bioflore, we are leading this technological revolution, developing innovative tools that combine remote sensing and artificial intelligence to transform how we measure and monitor the environment. We are a partner of the Global Biodiversity Standard, a pioneering initiative that is improving global benchmarks for conservation and restoration. With TGBS, we're enabling large-scale, high-frequency monitoring of biodiversity and ecosystem recovery, ensuring more traceability and accountability in nature-based projects worldwide. By training and capacitating local communities, we integrate their invaluable knowledge with our cutting-edge technology, creating robust biodiversity databases. At the same time, we empower these communities with digital tools, allowing them to actively enhance conservation and restoration efforts. Our solutions provide a continuous assessment of ecosystem dynamics and species diversity, giving TGBS project developers the transparency they need to report real environmental impacts. At COP16 in Cali, Colombia, alongside the Global Biodiversity Standard, we will showcase how this powerful combination of technology and local wisdom is scaling nature-based solutions, protecting vital ecosystems, and creating sustainable opportunities for communities. Join us and be part of this transformation.